Did you know that the humble sprig of parsley on your dinner plate isn't just a decorative touch, but actually possesses powerful healing properties? In fact, recent studies have shown that many common kitchen herbs, basil, rosemary, ginger, and more, are packed with bioactive compounds that can help boost your immune system, aid digestion, and even fight inflammation. These everyday plants, often overlooked as simple flavor enhancers, are in fact some of the oldest and most potent natural remedies known to humankind. For centuries, herbs have been at the heart of traditional medicine, treasured not just for their taste, but for their remarkable ability to support health and well-being. Ancient civilizations from Egypt and China to Greece and India relied on herbs both in their kitchens and their apothecaries. But in today's fast-paced world, the healing power of kitchen herbs is often overshadowed by the convenience and prevalence of pharmaceuticals. Too often, we reach for over-the-counter pills to soothe a sore throat or settle an upset stomach, forgetting that our spice racks may hold gentler, effective solutions. This common misconception that only pharmaceuticals are potent enough to heal has led many to underestimate the transformative power of natural remedies. The truth is, modern science is now catching up with traditional wisdom, validating what our ancestors instinctively knew: that the right herbs, used thoughtfully, can help prevent illness, speed recovery, and maintain overall health. These natural remedies don't just mask symptoms, they support the body's own innate healing processes. Let's explore some of the most versatile and powerful kitchen herbs you likely already have at home, and discover how adding them to your daily routine can unlock a wealth of health benefits. First, consider basil. Often associated with Italian cuisine, basil is much more than a pizza topping. It's rich in antioxidants, especially flavonoids and polyphenols, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and cellular damage. Studies have shown that basil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a valuable ally in fighting infections and soothing inflammation. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, holy basil, or tulsi, is revered as an adaptogen, an herb that helps the body cope with stress. Adding fresh basil to salads, soups, or even smoothies isn't just delicious. It's a simple way to fortify your body's defenses every day. Next, let's talk about rosemary. With its distinctive aroma and flavor, rosemary is a staple in Mediterranean cooking, but it's also a traditional remedy for everything from indigestion to memory loss. Modern research supports rosemary's reputation as a brain booster. Compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid have been found to protect brain cells from free radical damage, potentially slowing cognitive decline. In one study, even the scent of rosemary was linked to improved memory and concentration in students. Rosemary also aids digestion by stimulating the production of bile, which helps break down fats and ease bloating. Sprinkle rosemary on roasted vegetables, incorporate it into marinades, or simply inhale its invigorating scent for a quick mental lift. Ginger, meanwhile, is a culinary powerhouse and a cornerstone of traditional medicine systems worldwide. Its warming, spicy flavor brightens up stir-fries, teas, and baked goods, but its health benefits are even more impressive. Gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Multiple studies have shown that ginger can effectively reduce nausea, making it a go-to remedy for motion sickness, morning sickness, and post-operative nausea. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties also make it helpful for managing pain, particularly in osteoarthritis and menstrual discomfort. Enjoy fresh ginger tea, add grated ginger to smoothies, or use it to spice up soups and curries to harness its healing power. Science continues to uncover the mechanisms behind these benefits. For example, a 2013 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that basil extracts significantly reduced inflammation in animal models. Another review in Phytotherapy Research highlighted rosemary's neuroprotective effects, suggesting it could play a role in preventing Alzheimer's disease. And a comprehensive meta-analysis in Nutrition Journal confirmed ginger's effectiveness in treating various forms of nausea and pain. These findings reinforce what traditional healers have known for generations: Kitchen herbs can be as powerful as they are flavorful, but the most compelling evidence often comes from personal experience. Take Sarah, a busy mother of 3 who struggled for years with chronic digestive issues and frequent colds. Tired of relying solely on antacids and antibiotics, she began researching natural remedies and decided to incorporate more healing herbs into her family's meals. She started adding fresh basil and parsley to salads, brewing ginger tea for her morning routine, and seasoning her dinners with plenty of rosemary and thyme. Within weeks, Sarah noticed her digestion improved, her energy increased, and her children seemed to bounce back from seasonal bugs more quickly. Inspired by these changes, she continued to explore new herbs and recipes, eventually feeling more empowered and in control of her family's health than ever before. Stories like Sarah's are a testament to the simple yet profound impact of kitchen herbs. These plants are not magic bullets, nor are they a replacement for necessary medical care. But when integrated into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, they offer gentle, cumulative support for the body's resilience and vitality. As we've explored, common kitchen herbs like basil, rosemary, and ginger are much more than culinary afterthoughts. They're rich in bioactive compounds that can boost immunity, soothe inflammation, aid digestion, and even sharpen the mind. Scientific studies are beginning to confirm the wisdom of generations past, revealing just how powerful these plants can be when used intentionally. While it's important not to abandon conventional medicine when it's needed, integrating healing herbs into your daily life is a delicious and empowering way to support your health naturally. So next time you reach for the salt and pepper, consider what other treasures your spice rack might hold. Start with small changes. Add fresh basil to your salad, brew a cup of ginger tea, or season your roasted vegetables with rosemary. Over time, you might just notice a difference in how you feel, both inside and out. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about unlocking the healing powers of everyday foods, don't forget to subscribe. Together, we can discover a healthier, more flavorful way to live, one herb at a time.